Okay. Thank you itu buat jersey baju repair jersey
Apa? Si Jerman.
Jersey Jerman time
Champion.
champion
2014.
betul.
Actually, I got this from my dad. Dia ada kawan pergi sana.
Ha.
So, bila Jerman menang, dia offer lah nak beli kita kat sana kan.
Ni datang straight away from
From Jerman.
Jerman. Oh, okay.
So, yeah. Reason Ozil, I don't know, maybe because of Islam ke.
Islam Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Ingatkan sebab dia best assist ke, best
best
midfielder ke. Tapi okay. Sebab Muslim juga. It's a good.
For the squad pun quite actually the strongest one lah during that World Cup kan. Full of player lah.
Dia compare dengan 2010 Spain dengan Golden Generation Jerman lah 2014.
Betul. Okay, bagus. Nice. Thank you.
Tapi saya tertarik dengan jersey baru ni
Isi baru.
yang bro pakai ni.
Oh, this one.
Memang fan MU lah.
Tell you. I'm going for movie Spider-Man. So,
Blue and white.
okay.
Alright. Thank you. Nak tanya next season MU macam mana? Next season
Champions League.
Champions League menang.
Champions League. Besar harapan.
Besar harapan. Okay, thank you bro. Enjoy your movie.
Alright, thank you.
Alright.